Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use the feature of Seesaw where you use multi-pages. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up this Farm Fun thing that I bought from Teacher Pay Teacher. And it's the one that I want to use today to read to the kids. So I don't need all of these pages. I need just the story about the pigs. All right, here we are. One of the features I'm going to use is called screen capture. And to do that, if I only want this page here, I'm going to go and hit Shift Command 4. I'm going to click on and drag this across the page like that. And when I let go, it shows up down here. I'm going to go get all of the pages I want. Shift Command 4. Drag it across and collect all the pages that I need before I even begin. This is what my lesson is going to be on. Okay, now I'm going to show you what that will look like in Seesaw. So first I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like when I'm done with it. So you can kind of see what I'm talking about. All right. This is what it looks like when I am done. At the top, I have a picture where they can click on the different animals and it will take them to a video. And at the bottom here is the lesson. I'm going to click on that. This is what the lesson will look like when done. We'll have a question. We'll have a place where you can listen to me read. And I did several pages. So like on this one, I wanted to talk about how to sound out the word snout. I may bring out a word they don't know, like wallow. And then the last thing is I always want them to tell me what they've learned. So I'm going to show you how to build one of these. Okay, we're going to go to add an assignment, create new activity, name it. I always do this last. Here is where I put in that I upload a PDF, and I can show you that on another time. And here is the lesson right here. We're going to go to drawing, go to the camera, upload, and go to recent. And that's my screenshot I did today, right there. I'm going to drag it down, and there it is. Okay, I can position it where I want it. I can move this around. I'm going to do that so they can see everything, and then I'm going to go to the three dots and lock it so the kids can't move it around. And I always like to do a little question, like what are pigs? Okay, next comes the teaching part. This microphone is your friend. This is just like if you were doing a shared reading and you wanted to teach them something, it's the same thing. Hit the microphone. Hi kids, today we are going to be talking about pigs. What are pigs? I also like to use my highlighter and highlight as I go along. Pigs are mammals. I wonder what that means. They are warm-blooded and they have hair. Mama pigs are called sows and Baby pigs are called piglets. Piglets drink their mother's milk. Did you know male pigs are called boars? Okay, I can stop it at any time. Once I have it, I go on to the check. Now here's where you can add a page, upload the second page of your document. Go to Recent. Here's my second page. And do the same thing. Again, at the end, I always like to put, what do you know? So tell me 3 things you learned about pigs. Maybe I want to add record. Using this down here, you can actually add voice captions. Tell me 3 things you learned about pigs. Record. So that way they can hit the record button at the top and then tell you, or you can have them write what they've learned. But I always like this page at the end here. This is also where you, if you were doing a math lesson, you could insert the worksheet that they needed to complete. So remember, you can get 10 pages if you like. Hit the check, and then that will be added on. Hit save. And this is where you can go assign it, because remember in Seesaw Plus, you can assign which students get it and at what time and what day. So that is it for what I had to show you today. If you have any questions, just let me know.